Specialty coffees and their value. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, and it comes in many different varieties and flavors. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in special types of coffee that are prized for their unique flavors and qualities. These special types of coffee are often grown in specific regions and under specific conditions, and they can command high prices due to their rarity and quality. In this essay, we will explore some of the most popular special types of coffee and the value they hold. One of the most famous types of special coffee is Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. This coffee is grown in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica, at an elevation of over 2,000 feet above sea level. The cool and misty climate of this region, combined with the rich volcanic soil, creates the perfect conditions for growing high-quality coffee beans. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is prized for its mild flavor, delicate aroma, and smooth taste. Due to its limited availability and high demand, Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee can command prices of up to $50 per pound. Another special type of coffee is Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee. This coffee is produced in Indonesia, and it is made from coffee berries that have been eaten and excreted by civet cats. The digestive processes of the civet cats are said to enhance the flavor of the coffee beans, creating a unique and complex flavor profile. Kopi Luwak is one of the most expensive types of coffee in the world, with prices ranging from $100 to $600 per pound. Geisha coffee, also known as geisha coffee, is another type of special coffee that has gained popularity in recent years. This coffee is grown in the highlands of Panama, and it is known for its floral and fruity flavors. The coffee beans are large and elongated, and they are carefully harvested and processed to preserve their unique qualities. Geisha coffee can command prices of up to $350 per pound, making it one of the most expensive coffees in the world. In addition to these special types of coffee, there are many other varieties that are highly valued for their unique qualities. For example, Ethiopian Yirgacheffe coffee is known for its bright and fruity flavors, while Colombian Supremo coffee is prized for its rich and full-bodied taste. Hawaiian Kona coffee is another popular type of special coffee, known for its smooth and mellow flavor. The value of these special types of coffee goes beyond their unique flavors and qualities. Many of these coffees are grown in specific regions and under specific conditions, and they can provide economic opportunities for local communities. For example, Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is an important source of income for farmers in the Blue Mountains, while geisha coffee has helped to promote sustainable farming practices in Panama. By promoting the production and consumption of special types of coffee, we can support local communities and promote sustainable agriculture. Another special type of coffee that has gained popularity in recent years is peaberry coffee. Peaberry beans are a type of coffee bean that occurs when the coffee cherry only produces one round bean instead of the usual two flat ones. This results in a bean that is more concentrated in flavor and has a higher acidity. Peaberry coffee is mainly produced in Tanzania, but it is also grown in other regions such as Hawaii and Costa Rica. Peaberry coffee can be more expensive than regular coffee since it's rarer, and it's often considered a delicacy.